Now that we've turned the calendar, the month of May becomes Financial Literacy Month. Bluffton Self-Help and the libraries in Beaufort County are working on some projects to make us all a little more financially literate. Robyn Zimmerman has more.
And we're here at the Bluffton Library for a very special reason. Bluffton Self-Help is offering some financial literacy classes. And with me now is Amanda DeVerona, and she's a curriculum specialist with Bluffton Self-Help. Good to have you here.
Well, thank you for having me.
So let's talk about the need for specifically a financial class.
Yes, the financial literacy is one of our Pathway to Success programs that we're working now at Bluffton Self-Help. We're really trying to meet the need in Beaufort and Jasper County to move our neighbors from dependence on social services to earning a livable wage and being able to obtain that financial independence. And the financial literacy class is one of the big steps of that. So we have a basic financial literacy class that we're offering here in partnership with the library. And when our students come in, they're learning about building their basic monthly budget, monitoring their expenses, the importance of credit and credit reports and the components of it and how it's reported, and what steps they need to take to improve their financial situation.
And so how did you develop that curriculum? Why did you think those particular components were so important for folks?
We noticed it when our clients would come into the office for financial assistance or looking for a job or different services that we offer. This was the piece that seemed to be missing. When we would ask them about, so what is your plan to the finances? We want you to be independent and not need our services. And they would not necessarily have one or have a spending plan or have a budget. And we thought this was a critical part in helping improve their situation.
So why did you partner with the library? Why did you choose here, this location?
We chose this location because they are trying to extend more community services beyond just books. They are really trying to get integrated in the community and touch everyone. They have a very large Hispanic population that's coming in, so they've expanded their Spanish offerings and books as well. We have several staff members that are bilingual and can offer these workshops in Spanish and English.
Excellent.
And trying to help make our neighbors more aware of what's available around them in the community also through the library.
Thank you so much for all your great work.
Well, thank you, appreciate it.
And Kenny McKean is with us now. She is the Bluffton Library branch manager.
Hello.
Good to see you.
Good to see you
So
too.
we're talking about the partnership that you have with Bluffton Self-Help, specifically about the financial literacy class, but also volunteers come here. So let's talk about that relationship.
So it's something we've just started, and April is Financial Literacy Month, so they agreed to come out and do a financial literacy workshop here.
Right.
And our mission is for learning, for leisure, and for life. And I can't think of anything with financial literacy that wouldn't be all three of those things. So.
As a branch manager, is it important for you all to reach into the community or have the community come into the library?
Yes.
To not only experience this beautiful place, but also, you know, have programs like this?
Yes, absolutely. We're all about programming, and for the last 2 years, we were kind of shut down.
Right.
And then as COVID restrictions lifted, we were in the middle of our big remodel. In fact, up until January, all we had was the lobby and a pop-up library in our big meeting room. So in January, we opened back up and we're starting to do programs again, and it's very exciting.
So a special relationship with Bluffton Self-Help.
Yes, yes, very much so. And like I said, it's something we've just started. They're also thinking of coming in and using our facilities for some of their ESL, English as Second Language classes. And they've been really kind to us. We're having a big event tomorrow, Dia de los Niños, and they're sending us some people who can help translate Spanish.
Perfect.
So
Thank you so much, Kitty. I appreciate
Thank you.
everything that you're doing in the community.
Thank you so much for coming.
And back to the desk.
Thanks, Robyn. When we come back, we're going to have a little bit of fun with a Cinco de Mayo festival a couple of days early. Stay with us.